hyaluronic, what am I saying? Assalamualaikum guys, I hope सब ठीक ठाक होंगे. Welcome back to another video. So guys, as you guys can see कि मेरा मुँह इस वक्त कितना tired है. I've been up since 6 o'clock. I've been away out of the house and then it's almost 10 o'clock in the night and I am so freaking tired of everything. So I thought why not to do a nice pampered skincare routine. I will show you how with very few products I do my everyday skincare routine. So yeah, let's just remove all of these things and jump into the video. So सबसे पहले तो I'll be removing my big chunky earrings. So I really like them. They're very lightweight, though they look super chunky, but they're super lightweight. And then make sure जब आप अपने skin care करना start करें, you don't have any hair poking onto your face. Always make sure to wear a nice hair band or something that will make your hair go out of your face. So I'll be wearing my what you call it, I'll be wearing my headband. I don't know what you call them. So yeah, I look so champu. Anyways, so सबसे पहले what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use this Cetaphil gentle cleanser. It is very mild, very gentle onto your skin, though it's a little on the pricier side in Pakistan. I'm not sure if it's available in Pakistan right now, but if not Cetaphil but Metafil is the one that currently is the alternative for this one. You can definitely use that. I will be taking just 1 or 2 pumps of the cleanser into my hands. Just rub it off अपने मुंह पे धो के जल्दी से. I'll be back from the bathroom. I'll be washing it off and then I also be using this St. Ives का energizing coconut and coffee scrub. It says deeply exfoliate, leaving your skin fresh and glowing. So St. Ives का ये वाला जो scrub है, which I use twice a month maybe, because I don't have that much of blackheads or oiliness onto my skin and I don't find it really good on my skin, but some of the days I do need scrubbing, so then I use the St. Ives का scrub. Also इनकी controversies हो गई थी St. Ives की with their apricot and walnut scrub, कि उनके जो beads हैं scrub के, they are very harsh onto the skin. They usually skin को tear कर देते हैं और anti-aging जो है नहीं है उसमें, और it tends to age your skin quickly. So yeah, they have this new and 100% natural formula. They say 100% natural, but I know that is truly not 100% natural. So yeah, I'll use this and this into the bathroom and then I'll be back and show you what else I do. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm done washing my face, and after washing my face, what I do, I use a sheet mask. So if not a sheet mask, I do serum onto my face. Currently I'm using serum which is hyaluronic by The Ordinary. So I don't want to use The Ordinary right now, so I thought why not to pamper my skin a bit. So I'll be using the Watson's no time no wait sheet mask. मुझसे बोला क्यों नहीं जा रहा, I don't know. So it is the moisturizing sheet mask, 3 minutes, beauty call, pick me up, made in Korea, 10 ml इसमें essence है. I'll be simply mixing the essence into the mask and then I'll be tearing it off. Also I have been collecting all my sheet mask के outer wrappers and I wanted to do a video like all the sheet mask I've used in in the March month or in 2019 or something like that, or into 2020. If you want to see the entire empties of sheet mask, let me know. I would love to make a video on that. So currently I'm collecting the packaging of all the used sheet masks. So what I do is मैं इसमें से थोड़ा सा serum हाथ में लेके I put it all over my face like so, क्योंकि already बहुत ज़्यादा serum होता है इसमें. Don't ever forget your neck. Make sure you always apply stuff onto your neck. It is very important as well. So सबसे पहले you will take it out. अपने sheet mask को निकाल लीजिए. इसकी फोल्ड्स को अनफोल्ड्स कर लेते हैं. Okay. Okay. So, ho ha ha ha. इतना ठंडा है ये. ओके, आई टेल यू थिंग. जैसे कि ये वाला शीट मास्क, इफ़ यू गाइस कैन सी, ये बहुत ही पतले फैब्रिक का बना हुआ है, विच इज़ बायोडिग्रेडेबल. इट्स अ नाइस शीट मास्क. सो ये वाला जो शीट मास्क है, ये बहुत ही पतले फैब्रिक का बना हुआ है. और एक और शीट मास्क एक और टाइप के शीट मास्क होते हैं जिनका फैब्रिक बहुत डार्क वाइट उसका होता है. तो मेक श्योर कि आपका जो शीट मास्क है उसका फैब्रिक बहुत पतला हो, सो दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द सीरम विल गेट एब्जॉर्ब्ड ऑन टू योर स्किन अदर देन द शीट मास्क. तो यूजुअली क्या होता है, आई एम सॉरी अगर मेरे मुंह पे ये मिरर आ रहा है, आई एम फिक्सिंग माई शीट मास्क. उससे क्या होता है कि अगर तो आपके शीट मास्क का जो फैब्रिक है बहुत थिन है, तो जो सारा सीरम है वो बहुत ही जल्दी से सारा आपकी स्किन के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. So it's a very quick sheet mask. I'll only be applying it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'll be back and I'll show you what else I use for my skincare. Okay guys, so 3 minutes are done. I have removed the sheet mask. Make sure जो sheet mask है वो आपकी स्किन पे बिल्कुल ड्राई नहीं होना चाहिए, उसे वेट ही रहने देना चाहिए, सो दैट उसने जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपकी स्किन को प्रोवाइड किए हैं वो आपकी स्किन अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब कर ले. उसके बाद आई विल बी मेकिंग श्योर कि मेरी जो स्किन है वो इसको अच्छी तरह से एब्जॉर्ब कर ले और मेरी स्किन ड्राई हो जाए. सो आई विल बी पुटिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ठंडी हवा onto my skin before moisturizing and apply sunblock. I feel so fresh. I think my eyes are so tired, but my skin, it looks so fresh. It makes me feel so fresh. So इसके बाद मुझे बहुत अच्छी नींद आने वाली है, hopefully. Okay guys, so once my skin is all dried, I wanted to apply a moisturizer, and for my moisturizing again I'll be using Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I am super dry and I don't like to use the lotion because the lotion is not very hydrating to me. I'll be applying Cetaphil cream. It is for face and body, fragrance free, moisturize for chronic dryness. So I have super dry cheeks and my nose is like a Sahara desert. So I'll be applying the moisturizer onto my skin and quickly so once my, oh my god, इतनी तेज़ बारिश हो रही है. अगर आपको आवाज़ आ रही होगी तो दैट इज़ प्रोबेबली बारिश, क्योंकि बाहर बहुत ज़ोरों शोरों से बारिश हो रही है. ओके, सो नाउ माई मॉइस्चराइज़र इज़ ऑलरेडी डन. आफ्टर दैट इफ़ आई एम गोइंग आउट और ईदर आई एम इन होम, I am using my sunblock whatsoever. If it's daytime or nighttime, I use my sunblock. So currently I'm using the Pure UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence. It is oil, not the oil based but the water based essence. So it's more like a yellow cream which looks something like this. So I'll be taking a very tiny bit amount of this and apply it onto my skin. It has SPF of 50. Make sure you get the sunblock जिसका SPF कम से कम 50 हो. 20-30 वाला does nothing much to your skin, but the 30 onwards 90 are the same. So make sure you use something between 50 to 100. So yeah, so once my sunblock is all set, make sure you put little bit onto your can and onto your neck as well. So for my lips, that's the last part. I'll be using the Miniso Dual Lip Balm. So this is citrus and honey lip balm. So the orange side is citrus and the yellow side, which I'm currently applying, which has no tint whatsoever, this is the honey one, and it tastes like honey, though I applied onto my lips and over my lips, like the lip line pe and a little bit on the chin side area. So yeah, a very thick coat of it and I'm all done. So this is all my very simple routine. I use cleanser, scrub, moisturizer, I use my sheet mask, my sunblock and my lip balm. So these all 5 things I use for my skin as skincare. Very simple, very minimal and very according to your budget as well, I hope. So yeah, if I have pimples on some days, so then what I use, my all-time favorite tea tree oil. So if you don't know how to use tea tree oil, I have a link to tea tree oil I'll be putting up somewhere here. So make sure you click that and watch this. So yeah, this is all about the video. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in the comment sections, and yeah, leave me a good comment. And yeah, this is all. Take care of yourself. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this channel with your friends and family. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.